Hey, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows. And if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, smack that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. And in this video, I'm going to be covering a part 1 of a multi-step affiliate marketing case study series on how to make money online with ClickBank. And in this video, I'm going to be covering the part 1, which is choosing an offer to promote. First of all, in order to choose an offer to promote on ClickBank, you have to be able to sign up for it. And signing up is as simple as going to clickbank.com and clicking sign up right over here. And then it's 100% free to join ClickBank. Create account, email address, choose your country, first name, last name, phone number, email, and password. And then agree to the terms and conditions. And then you'll be able to create an account, and then once you do that, you will be able to log into your ClickBank account, and it should look like this. So this was an account that I created a couple years ago. The username is ebookcrook. I was gonna sell ebooks, and it ended up not working. So I'm using this as my test account. So that is how you sign up for ClickBank, and now all we got to do is browse the marketplace. So if you come up here and click marketplace, you'll be brought to a page where you can browse thousands of products that you can promote and start earning affiliate commissions. And one thing I wanted to go over right away is that if you scroll down a little bit once you get to marketplace and then you come over to categories, you got all these categories over here: arts and entertainment, computers, internet, e-business, e-marketing, fiction, health and fitness, home and garden, parenting and families, reference, self-help, sports, travel, etc. So you can pick a vertical and you can promote offers in that vertical, and if you promote an offer and someone buys it, you'll get an affiliate commission. Nothing new there. I know that some of this information might be very basic, but I want to do a full in-depth affiliate marketing case study, so I'm going to go into the nitty-gritty. So those are the categories. That's how you can browse. And then let's pick a category and let's find an offer that we want to promote. Home and garden is a great vertical, so I'm gonna click that. And as soon as you click into a category, you can sort the products by popularity, average dollars per sale, initial earnings per sale, average percentage, average rebill total, average percent rebill, and gravity. So I like to sort by gravity, and you might be wondering what the heck is gravity. Let me check that real quick. And I took a screenshot from a website which had the best definition of gravity that I could find. The definition of gravity, ClickBank gravity. According to the information on the ClickBank website, gravity is number of distinct affiliates who earned a commission by promoting the vendor's products during the past 12 weeks. This is not an actual number of affiliates. For each affiliate, an amount between 0.1 and 1.0 is added to the result. Depending on when his or her last transaction occurred, the more recent transactions are giving a higher value. So for Ted's Woodworking, it says that the gravity is 231.39. The reason we get the decimals is because, like they said, it's not an actual number of affiliates. It's kind of, the numbers are skewed towards when the last affiliate commission transaction occurred. So that is the definition of gravity. I like to sort by gravity because it just shows you what has been performing the best. And Ted's Woodworking has been a top offer for a long time. But I'm not going to promote that for this case study. I actually want to promote brain training for dogs, a unique dog training course. Easy sell. If I zoom in here, you could see that the initial commission per sale is $31.63. The average percentage that you're getting per sale, we're getting 75% commission. Average rebill total is $25. So I love promoting products that have a rebill, because that just adds to the long-term value. And then the gravity is 178.49. So obviously this product's getting a lot of traction on the ClickBank marketplace. A lot of affiliates are starting to see success with it. And whenever you're doing your browsing on ClickBank, you can easily preview any of the offers just by clicking on it. So, revealed at last by one of America's top professional dog trainers, a simple training strategy that develops your dog's hidden intelligence to eliminate bad behavior and create the obedient, well-behaved pet of your dreams. So this looks like a long-form sales letter, and I don't know, it looks well designed. And another thing that I like about this offer is that it has to do with pets, and people will spend a ridiculous amount of time and money on their pets because people love their pets. So I think I'm going to set up this affiliate marketing case study based on this offer right here. I have not tried to promote any dog training offers before, so this will be a good test. And one thing that I want to make very clear right away is that during this case study, you can follow along and promote this offer or use the strategies that I teach to promote similar offers, but just keep in mind that I can't promise that I'm going to make any sales for this. You know, if I'm lucky, maybe every 4 out of 10 campaigns will become profitable and I'll be able to scale, but that's if I'm lucky, it's 4 out of 10. The key to affiliate marketing is just testing offers and being able to spend money to collect data. One more time, I just want to reiterate, I can't promise I'll make any sales, but I'll show you exactly how I go about setting up my campaigns for affiliate products. So that is it for this video on choosing an offer. We went over how to sign up for ClickBank, how to browse through the categories and offers, and lastly, how to sort by gravity and the definition of gravity. So part 2 is going to be going over the affiliate resources. So one of the best things about ClickBank compared to like other networks is that most of the top performing products on ClickBank have affiliate resources pages where you can use like images or videos for your ads. Let's say you're running a Facebook advertising campaign, you can use pictures, videos. They give you good ad text. If you're running a pay-per-click campaign with Google Ads or Bing Ads, they usually have keyword lists for you and all that good stuff. So it's using the affiliate resources tab with ClickBank is a very, very important thing to do, and we will be going over that in part 2 of this case study training. And before I end this video, I want to remind you that you can join my free affiliate marketing with Cody Facebook group. All you got to do is request to join. The link will be in the description below. And once you request to join, make sure to answer all 3 questions and agree to no hate speech and no spam. And I will accept you into the group. You have to answer all the questions and agree to no spam and hate speech. Otherwise, you will be denied. And then lastly, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, come on, smack that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. And keep your eye out for part 2 of this affiliate marketing case study. Peace.